What's up, traders? Welcome once again. Today is Wednesday, and I want to quickly teach you on how to analyze the chart using your mobile phone. Now, I've been getting requests from so many persons for 2 weeks now to teach them how to analyze using their mobile phone to make money. Now, to analyze on a mobile phone is same as using the PC, laptop, to analyze the charts. Some said they can't use Tradingview on their phone because they don't have a PC. Others said they have Tradingview, but they find it difficult using it and they prefer using the MT4 or MT 5. So I decided to make a video that will teach you how to analyze the market very well on whichever trading platform you are using and make your money. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. Let's get straight into the chart and do that now on my MT 4 I have here. Okay, let's go there. Sorry, let me switch on my data. Okay, let's go. Now, these are currency pairs and these are the spread below it. I want to quickly show you how to analyze with this MT4, even if you don't have Tradingview, so you won't have any excuse not to make money from Forex. Now, this is one of my accounts I use. As you can see, no trade has been taken here. So I want to quickly show you how to analyze this pair now. So let's just pick any pair. Okay, let's start from the first one. Open chart. Now let's go to the monthly. Remember, okay, let me rotate my phone. Remember, I always told you that do your analysis from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame and find entry on intraday time frame, which is the our 4 time frame. Well, let me make use of the draw 2. Okay, if you look at this chart very well from the monthly time frame, you can see there's a rejection here. There's a rejection, and after a rejection you expect a push to the upside. Why is there a rejection here? Because the market is currently at a support zone. If you check back here, the market is currently at a support zone. Let me make use of this. If you check, can you see this is a support zone? And you know all the support and resistance from the monthly are very strong. That's why you see the rejection here. And if you check very well, we are in a downtrend, so we should be looking for only short opportunity, no long opportunities. So if you check well, let's read the current market. We have what here? Let me make use of the pencil tool. You have impulse correction. We're expecting the next impulse to the downside. So what are we going to do? The market already made an impulse and it's currently in a corrective move, so we're going to pick a tool and make use of. Now I like making use of the rectangle, and I like making use of the rectangle, and the color I love is using red if I want to short and green if I want to long. So I think it's already on red already. Yeah, it should be. Now this is where we are expecting the market to get to before we start looking for short opportunities again. This area exactly. This is the area we expect the market to get to before we start looking for short opportunity. And as you can see, the market is currently in a corrective move. And once this candle gets here, it's going to start rejection to the downside. So this from the monthly time frame. Let's go over to the weekly time frame and see what we have there. Now you can see the monthly is in confluence with the weekly time frame. The market is in an impulsive move. Now is in a corrective move. And if you check from here, this is a pure uptrend. If you check from here, let's make use of this same tool, and this time I'm going to make the color green because make use of green each time I want to look for a long opportunity. Now this is a pure uptrend. So what are we waiting for? Now the market has broken structure to the upside. From the monthly time frame, we are expecting the market to retrace when it gets to this region and start coming down. But from the weekly, you can see the market form structure here. So these two time frames are against each other. From the monthly, it's in a downtrend, and from the weekly, we can see an uptrend. If you also go on the daily, I think it should be in an uptrend also. Now this is it. So what are you going to be watching out for? You are going to be watching out for some development in this area. Now let me make use of these two and explain what I mean to you. If the market is moving in impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. Now let me draw it again. impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. Just the way it's moving now. Now what are you expecting before you start looking for a short opportunity? The market should change environment and break structures. For example, if it make the next impulse to form M formation, it comes down to break this support zone, now turn resistant at this area. This is when you only be looking for a short opportunity at this area only. So what I'm going to be looking for, we'll be waiting for the market to develop here, form some structures here, or rather come down and break this structure before we start looking for a short opportunity to the downside. And this might not happen even in a week. It might take weeks for this to happen. So I'm just trying to show you how to analyze with your smartphone. So having done that, you will be waiting for an entry from the lower time frame, which is the intraday time frame hour 4. As you can see, the market is clearly in an uptrend as we stated, and we'll be looking for short opportunity only at this region if the market will change environment here. So let's see if we can analyze another pair. Let me check the time. Okay, let's get another pair to analyze. Okay, let's go for USDCAD open charts, and let's go to the monthly time frame. Let me quickly analyze this pair for you before I go off now. Now looking at this, you can see, the same thing I always talk about every day. Always look for structure area before making any entry. Now as you can see, the market is purely in an uptrend, and as you can see, this rejection from this area, let me mark the rejection. This should show that there is a strong resistance pushing the market down, and it's telling the market you need to remember there's a structure level here. Come and retest it before you start going up. So the market is moving down now, and it has two areas to respect. It's either it respect this area here or respect this area here. Most times the market will respect this first area. So the market is coming down from the monthly to come and retest this area before it start going up. In this way, it will form an impulse correction, and the next impulse will start from next month or even next month, because this move might take a whole month because it's a monthly candle. So with this alone, you can see it will form a downtrend in the lower time frame. So let me make use of the 2 here. Okay, when looking for long, I make use of these 2. So this is where we are expecting the market to come to, and this market might form a hold down trend in lower time frame. Let's go on weekly time frame. Okay, on weekly time frame, the same thing we'll be looking out for the market to come and retest this green region, change environment before we start looking for a long opportunity. But meanwhile, we are supposed to short this pair. The market might break this in some cases. Why? Because there is a gap here. So the market might respect the gap and come down to retest the second area I say you should watch out for in the monthly time frame. So you can see a gap here. Market might come down like this and immediately break this area. Just expect it to retest and continue a downtrend. So this from the weekly. What are we seeing is also a downtrend. So there are 2 things to do now. Is either you wait for the market to come and retest this green area to look for long, which will take months, or you joined the move that is already in now. How do you join it? You look for trend continuation. That's another setup. Okay, you go on the daily time frame, and what can you see on the daily time frame? Like I said, the market is purely in a downtrend now because of that one candle from the weekly. Now if I'm to take this trade, if I was here to take this trade, this is where I would have taken this trade from. This region you have right here is where I would have taken this trade from. But the market has already passed that region, and we don't chase the market, we wait for the market to come to us. So this is where I would have taken this trade, and you can see it came to retest at this region. Never too late. We can also look for trend continuation here at this area. So what are you going to be looking for if you want to take the short to this green area? If it's give you a 1 to 3 risk to reward, what will I be looking for now? I'll be looking for a short. If the market will give one of my one rule of my entry, if it will satisfy the rule of my entry from the day 4 time frame, I'll be looking for a short opportunity here. If the market will give me one of my entry rules, and I will enter and make money from the market. So I'll wait for the market to go down a bit now, come to retest that area, and follow it to the downside. It's already close to a structure level, which is this area. Once it get to this structure level, the structure level will reject it to this area, and that's where I will go on the 4 time frame and look for my entry rules if it is satisfied to short this pair to the downside. And from here to here can give at least, it will give a 1 to 3 risks to reward. 1 to 3 risks to reward. This is where I'll be looking for my entry. You can see this can give a 1 to 3 risks to reward. Okay, it already retested the area I'm looking for entry, so I won't tell you my rule here, but I can see my rule is about to be satisfied from the 4 time frame now. I think giving it from I think today, okay, today is Wednesday. This rule should be satisfied, let's say by tomorrow. By tomorrow or next it should be satisfied, and if it is not satisfied, then it will be perfect to take this trade by Monday once the market is opened. I would have loved to take other pairs now and show you how to analyze with your smartphone, but with the little I've done, I think you should be able to analyze very well with your smartphone. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and our website will be up by next week, where you get free forex classes online, and you learn for yourself. But if you are willing to take our rule-based strategy, you can contact me, where you learn every rule of the strategy, a 3-in-1 strategy with 1 entry rule, and make money from the financial markets on a consistent basis every week. So having said that, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My contact details are in the description below. You can contact me for any question, because you have to send your questions to me from Monday to Thursday, and all questions will be answered in video format by Friday. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.